July 1947. In the quiet deserts of New Mexico, something extraordinary happened, a mysterious crash that would ignite decades of speculation and conspiracy. Initially dismissed as a weather balloon by the US government, the Roswell incident quickly became the centerpiece of UFO lore. Witnesses described strange debris, unusual metals, and even alien bodies. But was Roswell more than just a bizarre event? The incident that occurred in 1947 has sparked countless theories and debates over the decades. Some say it was merely a weather balloon, while others are convinced it was an alien spacecraft. The mysterious debris found at the site has fueled speculation and intrigue. Many believe it set the stage for the creation of Majestic 12, a top-secret group formed to investigate extraterrestrial phenomena and control the narrative. This clandestine organization, shrouded in secrecy, was allegedly tasked with managing all information related to UFOs and ensuring that the public remained unaware of any potential extraterrestrial encounters. The Roswell incident, therefore, is seen by many as the catalyst for a new era of government secrecy and conspiracy theories. According to leaked documents, President Truman allegedly authorized the formation of this elite committee. Its members included military leaders, scientists, and intelligence operatives sworn to secrecy. The timing was no coincidence. Every second counted in this high-stakes game of global dominance. The late 1940s were an era of tension and technological leaps. Streets buzzed with activity and factories worked around the clock to produce the latest innovations. The Cold War was heating up and the US couldn't risk falling behind on Earth or in the stars. The threat of nuclear war loomed large, and the race for technological superiority was relentless. Fighter jets soared through the skies and radar screens scanned for any sign of enemy activity. The stakes had never been higher and every move was critical in this battle for supremacy. Majestic 12's alleged mission? To recover and study UFO technology, assess extraterrestrial threats and ensure the public stayed unaware. Fact or fiction, the mysteries surrounding Roswell have intrigued generations. Roswell and Majestic 12 continue to captivate our imagination, sparking endless debates and theories. From secret government documents to eyewitness accounts, the quest for the truth is never-ending. Want to learn more about the secrets of the past? Dive deep into the unknown with us. Subscribe to emgotv1 for stories that keep you questioning the truth, exploring the unexplained, and uncovering hidden histories. Join our community of curious minds today.